Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Larry with Buy Low Trades, and if you don't have drones in your portfolio, then I want you to, and so does ARK Invest. If you want to get in on the up and coming trends, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and that follow, and that'll keep you up to date with all of our new videos whenever I post. And let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, when we take a look at ARK Invest and what they're buying, which is a pretty popular thing right now because ARK Invest has been one of the top performing ETFs or institutional holdings in the past 5 years. So these guys, and last year they really killed it. They've knocked it out of the park. So we look over at their big ideas 2021. This is a PDF that they produced in January 26th is to be exact. Now these guys, if you look at it, it's over 100 pages, so I won't go through all of them, but I'll give you a brief description of it here. Deep learning, they think deep learning could be the most important software breakthrough of our time, and in which self-driving cars would use deep learning, consumer apps use deep learning. So there's a lot of profits to make off of deep learning. They have a lot of ideas like this, so definitely get on here and check them out. When we scroll down a little bit, we have electric vehicles on the list. Obviously, we all know electric vehicles are going to be huge going forward. This is nothing new to me, but when I go down a little bit further, there's a few other things. When we take a look at this one really caught my eye. Drone delivery. ARK Invest has this one here, page 72 of their PDF. Drones should reduce the cost to transport goods and people dramatically. That's right, I said people. Drones are going to be flying people around like taxis. Lower battery costs and autonomous technology should power aerial drones. ARK believes that in the not too distant future, drones will deliver our packages, food, and even people quicker and more conveniently than ever before. Drones are likely to transform shopping behavior, reduce travel time, and save lives. Now this is huge. ARK believes this business will explode over the next 5 to 10 years, and this is why I've added some drone companies to my portfolio, and this is why I think maybe you should add drones to your watch list at the very least. When we scroll down a little bit more, autonomous air travel has become possible and affordable, enabling air taxis and air ambulances to keep the skies safely. Now this, again, this really excites me. I'm just the idea of a ambulance flying around above my head just really kind of blows my mind. Florida is building the first US passenger drone vertiport with plans to operate in 2025. So let's go over to Google, take a look at that. Vertiport, I'm gonna type it in here. Vertiport drone, it's at skyports.net. So let's click on this. All right, when we scroll down, we can see their landing infrastructure and also their drone deliveries. Skyports develops, implement, and operates in drone deliveries. Our mission to change the way people and packages move around our communities. Again, I get hung up on that people word because I understood packages being flown around by drones, but people, this is something for the future, guys. To reduce congestion and pollution through on-demand electric aviation. So this is really cool, something to look forward to. Now taking a look at the portfolio, I do have a couple of drone companies in my portfolio, UAVs being one of those. We picked up about a month ago for about $5. It's trading around $9 now. We also picked up on PLRTF. This one was a penny stock. We got it at 89 cents a share. Right now it's sitting at $1.38, so we're up 45% on this one. So this was a really nice play on this one as well. I always love to go to their website. They always have an investors page I love to look at, but I also love to see how crisp and clean their website is. When we take a look at this one, Plymouth Rock Technologies, the future of threat detection. Plymouth Rock Technologies standoff sensor systems and associated platforms detect and identify threats at extended ranges to support a wide range of missions on land, in the air, at sea, and into space. If you scroll down a little bit on their website, you will see some recent news releases. One here says Plymouth Rock's drone breaks world record for drone delivery during an unmission and seeks official recognition for new record. So that's really cool. And when we scroll up, they do have an investors tab. When I click on this here and scroll down, they actually have a presentation video. So let's play that and get a deeper understanding of what they do.
There are numerous numerous injuries as a result of these two explosions.
When the marathon bombers came down to the streets of Boston with their backpacks and pressure cookers, we didn't know what to do. They had two daughters going to college down in Boston. That was the really emotional thing for me was, boy, my kids are involved in this. This is getting too close for comfort. We need to do something to prevent this in the future.
Terrorists are evolving their threats much quicker than security can evolve its methods to combat them. Security that has been there has always been checkpoint security, where it's relied upon compliance and people doing certain things a certain way. So these new acts of terrorism that are out there, they've caught all of the major security organizations and the security methods that have always been in play for the past 50 or 60 years by surprise. Plymouth Rock Technologies is about reimagining safety and security. That's it, plain and simple.
We have a commitment to make the world safer by developing state-of-the-art threat detection systems.
One of the technologies that we're developing at this moment is a shoe scanner technology. And effectively what that does is you'll walk up to the check-in counter, or you will just walk up to security and your shoes will have been automatically scanned, so you don't need to take your shoes off. That saves you a great deal of time, but it also relieves a massive headache for airport security. Another technology is something that we call WITI, Wireless Threat Indication. We all know what Wi-Fi is. It's around us, it's part of our daily lives. And those radio beams, they carry data to our laptops and our phones, but also what those radio waves do, they bounce off everything within a room.
By looking at how much of this Wi-Fi carrier signal is reflected or scattered from people that are moving in Wi-Fi enabled zones, you can make informed decisions about whether or not that person is carrying a threat object.
Our Myriad system is a drone-mounted millimeter wave imaging system. It can be used for threat detection, trying to detect suicide bombs and vests on people. But there's a dual-use aspect to that also. Millimeter wave imaging can be used for non-destructive testing. So burn victims, for example, we can image through bandages, bridge trusses, flying the drone under there with rust and cracks in the truss. The bottom line is millimeter waves can be used for a lot of different types of technologies.
The wonderful thing about PRT's technologies is their ability to tackle any number of challenges. They have in-house their own proprietary patented technologies that they are already deploying, they are already utilizing. They bring brilliant scientists who understand how these technologies work, how they're evolving every single day.
We're experienced at developing technologies from concept right through to a deliverable product.
Being a small business, we're very flexible. As new technologies arise, we're going to be better suited than some of the bigger companies to grab those technologies, integrate into our product, and get it out to the marketplace in a timely manner.
As the Assistant Secretary for the Department of Homeland Security, I would meet with many companies that all claim to have the greatest new technology in the space, but very few did. The amazing thing about Plymouth Rock is they have cutting-edge technology that is ready to be deployed today and ready to stop the attack of tomorrow.
So in the aftermath of the marathon bombers, we had a long discussion with our kids. The question my daughter asked me, Dad, would this technology have detected these two guys that had their backpacks full of bombs? Today we can actually say 100% yes.
Now, if that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what will. This is Plymouth Technologies. This is a drone company I have in my portfolio. ARK Invest believes you should have drone companies in your portfolio going into the future, as they believe that this will be a huge growing industry. Again, make sure you guys hit that subscribe and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos. And thanks for watching, guys. Take care.